Hey, thanks for swinging by and checking out my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick unboxing and review of the Huion Kamvas 22+. Let's see what's inside the box. If you tuned in a month ago, I also had the Wacom Cintiq 22 on review. Both have their pros and cons, so let's dive in. So in the actual box itself, in the little mini box that comes included in the box, you get all the power cables as well as the pen 2 with the pen holder, which also has 8 spare nibs included. What a flippin' great deal. There is 8 nibs here, 8. As an amateur artist and photographer, these devices really are important to my workflow. I'm sure they will also help your creative workflow. There is something beautiful about interacting directly on a screen to bring the content we're trying to create into like a reality. It takes it out of the virtual, puts it right at our fingertips. It's something beautiful. The stand comes in the box too, which is a huge bonus compared to other rivals. You do have to attach it to the back of the tablet, but the screws are also included as well as the screwdriver. Bonus points. Firstly, you'll notice the build quality as you take it out of the box. It is a beautiful, beautiful device. It's large, but we knew that at 22 inches. It looks great and is evidently robust. I also love that they've gone with the with a 3-in-1 cable, making it future-proof using USB Type-C. So there's less like cable management. It's just like you just plug a cable in, turn it on, and you're good to go. They've also included a standard USB port actually on the tablet itself, which is really useful if you use Bluetooth keyboards or you want to use their mini pad, which I also have the mini pad. I'm sort of like, with this unboxing, the mini pad is included, but I'm not really reviewing the mini pad itself. I'm just doing the Huion, but it was included in my baseline cost to Huion at £519. It was on a flash deal. With this stand, it is robust. I mean, you would think having to attach a stand to the back of the tablet, it would make it flimsy, it wouldn't be very secure, it could get damaged pretty easily. Literally, I can put quite a lot of pressure on the left corner, on the right corner, and in the center, at the top of the screen, at the top of the drawing tablet, and it barely moves. Again, it's just been well thought out. As you turn the canvas on, you'll notice the colors pop. The tablet actually supports 140% of the sRGB color space, which is going to be pretty good for most people if they're working with web stuff, that kind of stuff, if you're doing design. The Kamvas 22 Plus has a full laminated screen, which does eliminate parallax. When you actually interact with it with the pen, it does feel, they've added an anti-glare etched glass, which they say does have like a paper-like experience. And it does. It doesn't feel like when I used to use the pencil on the iPad. That was very plasticky. Plasticky? That's not even a word. But it was very there was still a disconnection from technology to traditional, I found. It was just not as natural as this. This does actually feel like you are drawing on a digitized piece of paper. The fact that it has a contrast ratio of 1200 to 1 is really good, especially considering my monitor, my Dell monitor here also does 12,000:1. So when I'm looking at the pictures on my Dell monitor and on the Kamvas 22 Plus, they don't look too dissimilar. Obviously the Kamvas does look more high saturated colors, but that's because, you know, when you're drawing and doing digital art, you know, you want it to be vibrant, extra vibrant. The pen itself has 8,192 levels of pressure, which, using that amount of pressure, I don't think you're going to need more than that, to be honest, ever. And during this video, you'll see loads of different things that I was kind of working on, but I was kind of just rushing through certain projects that I've got going on at the moment. It was really nice to have something digital so that I don't have to waste resources like paper and paints and pencils, especially if I'm not going to actually be selling my work. This just having a digital way to create with less mess and less wastage. Because if I create art and nobody buys it, it's just going to sit in my house on a canvas or on, I don't know, some kind of weird, I don't know, depends on what type of artwork I'm doing, but it's just going to sit here and do nothing and it's going to take up space. So I just thought, why not get something digital to take all that space need away and like keep persevering and just learning more and more and more. Even though it's digital, I can still get the sense that I'm painting. You know, you can get like apps or Photoshop and certain brushes that actually like make it seem like you're really painting and you're blending and you're doing all these cool things. It was just a no-brainer to do digital for the learning process. This tablet is definitely for somebody who would like to get into digital art, but in like a more traditional sense. Also, for somebody on a budget. It's clearly budget friendly. I mean, £519 is still a lot of money, but it's not near the £2,500 that you would need for the Wacom version. So it's a no-brainer from me. I forgot to say in the beginning of my video, if you like my content, please subscribe, please hit that like button and just share. I mean, the fact I have 400 subscribers, although it's small, I really do appreciate everybody who is on my channel, who is supporting me by just subscribing. I'm such a new channel and I'm just learning the ropes, and I just would really appreciate if somebody could show the love. But anyway, thanks very much for watching this unboxing slight review thingy, and have a lovely evening, night or day. I will leave you with a sped up version of me drawing some not so cool things, but yeah, anyway, have a good one.